This Key Realty LLC property video is presented by Muriel Wotton. Welcome to 7318 Hot Wells Road, located in Boyce, Louisiana. This charming cottage home features 3 large bedrooms, 1 bath and beautiful hardwood floors. Central heat and air recently installed and the electrical system has been updated. Enjoy the wide front porch with a morning cup of coffee or a cold drink on a warm afternoon. Situated on just over half an acre, there is room to grow. Don't miss this home. Schedule your showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Muriel Wotton at 318-442-3300.